Your English may sound rude. Fix this now. Give me water. This sounds rude. Could you give me some water? Say this instead. Send me the file. Please send me the file. Come here. Could you come here, please? Do this now. Could you do this now, please? What do you want? How can I help you? Wait. Just a moment, please. Repeat. Could you repeat that, please? Explain this. Could you explain this to me? Open the door. Could you open the door, please? Stop talking. Let's continue this later. Call me. Please give me a call. Sit here. Please have a seat.